everyone, and welcome to Russian. In any conversation, sometimes it becomes necessary to say how often do we do something or how often something happens. For example, how often do you order food from a restaurant? Or how often do you make mistakes in Russian? In English, we have for that purpose adverbs of frequency, such as always, sometimes, rarely, etc. They tell us how often an activity happens. In Russian, we have their counterparts, and in this lesson we are going to talk about 7 most used of them. Number 1 is всегда. Всегда means always. Василий всегда зол по утрам. Vasily is always angry in the morning. We use всегда when the action happens all the time. Часто. Часто means often, frequently. Приходя на работу, Василий часто съедает чужие бутерброды. Coming to work, Vasily often eats other people's sandwiches. Регулярно. Регулярно means regularly. На работе Василий регулярно открывает окно и стреляет по голубям из рогатки. At work, Vasily regularly opens the window and shoots pigeons with a slingshot. Часто, регулярно. We use these adverbs when the action happens many times. Обычно. Обычно means usually. По ночам Василий обычно забивает гвозди в стену. At night, Vasily usually hammers nails into the wall. We use обычно when the action happens more often than not, when it almost became a habit that this action happens. Иногда. Иногда means sometimes. Иногда Василий даже работает. Sometimes Vasily even does his job. We use иногда when the action happens less often, not that often, like from time to time. Редко. Редко means rarely. Василий редко разговаривает с людьми. Vasily rarely talks to people. We use редко when the action happens on rare occasions, infrequently. Никогда. Никогда means never. Василий никогда не улыбается. Vasily never smiles. We use никогда when the action doesn't happen at all. I have to say, my Vasily is a completely fictional character that has nothing to do with any Vasily. Going back to adverbs of frequency. The good news is that, just like in English, in Russian, adverbs of frequency do not change. It means that they do not decline, do not have number, gender, or tense. And it's really great news. Well, now you know much more about adverbs of frequency in Russian and how to use them. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Your homework is to think about your daily routine or your life experience and see if you can use any of these adverbs to describe what do you do. Всегда, always, часто, often, регулярно, regularly, иногда, sometimes, or никогда, never. Write me in the comment section about what you have come up with and I will check some of your answers. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Пока-пока. Life